All right, in this video, I want to talk about the MarketSmith India company page. So if I want to look at a company and I'm thinking of trading or investing in the company, I go to the MarketSmith India website and I see the page of the company. MarketSmith provides a page, a web page for every company, and that page has got tremendous amount of valuable information. It has got tons of valuable information. And I will show you an example of a company in today's video. Okay. So let's go to MarketSmith. I have it bookmarked here. So this is the MarketSmith page. Okay. I will write the name of the company. Let us write Quest Corporation. Okay. Just some random name that came to my mind. I was just looking at this company recently. So let me expand this. So this is the page of the company. So let's see what information do we get just by looking at this page. This page, see, as I scroll down, it's a very long page, but I will just give you the essence of what is available here and how it can be used to quickly make a decision on a company, because you are going to look at hundreds of stocks. So by just scrolling through this page, you can quickly come to know whether this company is worth your time or not. So let's start with the top here. So you have the share price and the latest change in the price here. They show the average volume here. Evaluation summary. These are the tabs. You can click on these tabs, so it will take you to that particular section. I will not do that here. The important things are this. Master score. As we know, we have to look at only those companies which have a master score of A or B. So this company comes into that category. Then you have the ratings and rankings. This is the most important thing here. Earnings strength, price strength, institutional demand, and industry group ranking. That quickly tells me where this company stands relative to the rest of the market and relative to its own sector and other sectors as well. Then you have this chart. On the chart, you have this relative strength line. This relative strength line compares the performance of the stock with the Nifty 50 index. This rating compares the performance of the stock with all the stocks in the stock market. You have price information, you have volume information here, and you see these green dotted lines. If you click here, they tell you what pattern it is. Okay, like here, if you see, it's a cup with handle, base number 2. So they give you the pattern. They also give you the buy point. The green dotted line is the actual buy point. And they also show you the blue dots. Blue dots means 52-week high of the relative strength line. So if this relative strength line is sloping up, it means the stock is outperforming the market. Then here you have daily, weekly, monthly. If I click on weekly, it will show me the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, you have the price and volume data. You get a better picture of the stock. Here is the timeline. I click on the daily. Here, if you want to do some settings, if you want to put moving averages on the stock, on the chart, you can do that. You can also convert this MarketSmith chart to a trading view chart if you want. If you are used to using trading view, you can do that. See, now you have a trading view chart. So I always keep this as a MarketSmith chart. I have a separate trading view premium account. So here itself, in this particular page itself, I get every information that I want, okay, to make a decision on whether I want to invest in this stock or not, invest or trade, swing or positional, doesn't matter. Moreover, if I click here, it opens up this page. This again has got tons of information, okay, in a single page. So this I have discussed many times in MarketSmith India tutorials. Currently, I am only discussing this page. Let's continue. So you scroll down. Now this much information is more than enough. Scroll down, you see, click on consolidated. You have more information here. You have the ratings here. You have the annual EPS growth. You have the name of the sector, commercial services, staffing, what the business is doing. the market capitalization, how many shares are in float available for trading. Some ratios they show here, which I have explained in some MarketSmith tutorials. Then you have EPS, quarterly EPS growth rate, quarterly sales growth rate. As you can see, fantastic performance in terms of sales and earnings. There were some hiccups in between, but overall good performance. All the ratings and rankings are there here again. You can click on more ratios if you want, but this much is enough. We scroll down. Here is the management team. I don't look at this before I buy the company. I'm not paying much attention to this. Then you have the ownership pattern, how much the promoters own in the company. Then you have the major shareholders of the company, their percentages as of the latest quarter. Then you come to financials, annual financials since the past 10, 15 years, whatever is available. These are the ratios like net profit margin, pre-tax margin, return on equity, things like that. You can click on show more, you get more ratios. Okay. Again, quarterly performance, how is the net margin doing on a quarterly basis? Financial statements, balance sheet, income statement, quarterly income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Okay. I don't look at all of these before I'm putting money in a stock for swing trading or positional trading. If I'm value investing, then it's a different story. But for trading purposes, I look at all these things after I've bought the stock, because now the question becomes, how long do I want to own the company? Okay. So this, you can't look at all of this information because it will become like analysis paralysis. How much can you analyze a company? There are too many variables here. This single page is more than enough to make a uh, proper decision as to whether I want to get involved in this stock or not. This much information is more than enough. Okay. At the max, you can scroll down and you can look at these numbers. But this is fine. Beyond this, if you go, you are really looking at extra information. Okay. So financials, ratios, financial statements. Then you have within the commercial services staffing industry group, what are other companies in the market? So these are the peers, and how does this company compare against the peers? So as you can see, this is a market leader. It's a top. You click here by market cap. Okay, it's a top company by market value. Okay, so this is a market leader within the sector. So master score is A, EPS ranking is good, price strength is good, buyer demand is there, current price and price change. Okay. Then there are price estimates. See there, right, Quest Corp has been covered by one analyst in 6 months. I don't look at all of this because basically all you see here is an opinion. This is not a fact. So this is an estimate. An estimate is an opinion. It is not a fact. So 2025, who knows what numbers are going to be there in 2025. Again, next 12 months, this is an estimate. This line that you see, that's an estimate. It's a forecast. So I just don't pay any attention to estimates because I don't want to pay attention to opinion. I want facts. Okay. Then analyst rating history. How many analysts have been tracking the stock? What's the recommended price? What is the target price? You can also click here to download the report. So as I said, tons of information available here if you want to do a lot of research. This is important, surveillance. So if any one of this is a red flag, I am not going to buy the company. Okay, this company does not have any red flag. See, it's not a penny stock. Promoters have not pledged the company. It's not a illiquid stock, things like that. Then in the news, what are the key news related to this stock? Where has it appeared in the news recently? This is very important. You don't want to miss this. See, these are things which you will look at after you have already bought the stock, okay? Because it helps you manage the position. If you see some problems here, you can be quick in moving your stop loss, or you could be quick in selling the shares, okay? Because if I try to look at all of this information before I buy the stock, then I will have to do it for every company. And there are hundreds of companies on my radar. So how can I do all of this for hundreds of companies? So you have to think practically. Okay. Again, news, then you come down, checklist. This is important. So if we look at this stock from Warren Buffett's point of view or from Peter Lynch's point of view, MarketSmith tells us whether it fits in Peter Lynch's criteria, Benjamin Graham's criteria, Warren Buffett's criteria, William O'Neill criteria. So basically, I don't look at all of this because I have my own criteria. But if you look at William O'Neill criteria, it says that the return on equity is poor. They want 17%, but here it's only 9%. Then price strength, he wants 80, but this is only 79. But other criteria are being met. Then the deals, this is important because what recent deals have been done with the shares of the company? What is the available float of the company? Compare that number with the quantity of shares traded. So that gives you the block deal, high volume deals that have happened in the stock. Then some frequently asked question like, what is the market cap of Quest Corp? This information is there above. PE and PB, this information is there. Chief Executive Officer, this information is also there. So these are frequently asked questions about the company. So as you can see, the first, and by the way, this gives you the percentage of passing. Okay. So as you can see, if I click here, there is tons of information on this single page. You don't even have to click here. If you click here, this is even more summarized. Okay. But you don't need to do that. If you just scroll down on this page, you get everything you want. And if you like the stock, just click on this add to my list, select a user and apply, add it to your radar, add it to your watch list. Okay. So this is MarketSmith. You put any company here, let's say, for example, Infosys. So if I click Infosys, it is going to give me all the information that I need. See, group rank is poor, price strength is poor. So the company, although it's a high quality company, high class business, but earnings, maybe it's struggling. Recent quarter, see earnings, quarterly earnings are down. Sales have been poor in the last 4 quarters. Price strength is not there. The industry rank has gone down. Buyer demand is there because it's a large cap company. Okay. So a lot of information available here. See, everything that you need is available here. Okay. So tons of information. Go through this page for 4 or 5 companies. You will get a hang of it. But my practical trading point of view, if I have to tell you, I just look at this page and maybe I will scroll down to this just to figure out whether this is a positional trade or a swing trade. If it has good fundamentals, I will go with a position in the stock. If it does not have fundamentals but is showing good price strength, industry strength, I will go with a swing trading position. All of these factors basically I will not look at. I will look at them only after I have bought the stock. Okay. This is from a trading point of view, not from a value investing point of view. Value investing is a different subject where you truly take the time to understand the business. You might spend 3 months trying to understand the business, read its balance sheet, look at the financials, things like that, and then make a decision to buy the business or the shares in the business at a particular price that makes sense to you. But as far as trading is concerned, I mean, we are looking at hundreds of stocks on a daily basis. There is only limited amount of analysis that we can do. So as I only spend time here and here, that's about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please share this video with your friends, family, business associates. It will help them. Please like, comment, and share this video so that it reaches those people who truly want to become professional traders, professional stock traders, just like you. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support.